What's going on, guys, and welcome back to a brand new video. If you're new to the channel, my name is Angel, and this channel is all about trading content, specifically my journey to becoming a successful Forex trader on the market. Now, if you're starting out in Forex or you're trading with a low capital account, this is the channel for you, as I'm in the same shoes. I'm only trading with 1,000 USD, and I'm also brand new to trading, only been trading for roughly 3 months. However, this past week I just went live with a $1,000 account. Now in this video, we're simply gonna recap this past week, 2 of the trades I took out of the 4 trades that I did take on the market, and exactly how it went. Now the week went pretty well in my opinion. I came out roughly break even with only a 34% gain on the account. However, I do consider that a winning week, just because remember, the stats says it all. 95% of traders lose money, if not blow their entire account. Now, if I can become break even all 3 months, the next 90 days, even if it's a very small profit, I will be ecstatic and my trading journey looks bright in the future. Now, before I get into this video, I just want to remind you, trading Forex on the currency market is very risky. Any loss you do take, I am not responsible for. This is strictly my opinion and my trading setups that I recently took this past week on the market. Now, first and foremost, I want to stress this the most. One thing that helped me understand the trading world and understand my trading abilities is a trading journal. You want to keep track of every single trade you take with screenshots, the currency pair, the direction you took, either a long or a short on the market, the position size, what day you took it, the result, either a win or a loss, and of course the profit and loss on the trade. Now this is very specific because you'll start to notice trends within your trading. Let's say you trade a break and retest strategy. However, you trade on the 1 hour, 4 hour, and minute 15 for your entries. Now let's say you take 10 trades, 5 of them win, 1 is broken even, and 4 of them are losses. When you're keeping track of all your trades, you're gonna be able to spot which time frame you're trading best on versus which time frame you're taking the most losses. All right, so let's say out of the 5 trades, they all were taken on the 4-hour time frame. The broken even trade was a 15-minute trade based off the 15-minute chart, and then the 4 other trades, which happen to be losses, were all on the 1-hour time frame. That shows to yourself you want to stay away from the 1 hour. You want to move to the 4 hour and continue your trading on that time frame, because obviously you're trading the best and you want to do what's best for you and your account in order to grow. Now we're going to jump right into here. The first trade I took this week was on GBPCAD. I entered a short position. I only risked roughly 1% of my capital, which is usually around $10. So I had a position size of 0.04, basically meaning I'm risking 40 cents per pip on the trade. Now, as you can see, we came out with a win with $7 profit. Now, for my entries, I always take the entry screenshot and journal it just so I know exactly where I entered the market. As you can see, the trade came out a winner, as I mentioned, closed the profits, left a little note, as I do with every single trade. Now going into the graph, I'm sure you guys are wondering how I took the trade, what was my strategy, and how I entered the market. Well, if you watched my previous videos, you will know I'm a break and retest trader. I'm looking for a clear trend in the market, a break of a key level, a retest, and a continuation in the market's favor that is trending in. As you can see on GBPCAD, the market is currently in a downtrend. Let me delete this and actually add an arrow in here. Currently in a downtrend. As you can see, we broke a huge structural support, broke through it, came back, retested the zone, and fell from there. Again, huge structural support, broke through the level, retested it, and fell from there. With 2 confirmations showing me that this pair is in a downtrend, I'm only looking for sells on the market, which is exactly what I did. Finally, this pair broke through the support and didn't just break it lightly. It smashed through the support, showing me the bears are in control of the market, and that's exactly when I was looking for a retest. If I zoom in a little bit, as you can see, we got the retest right here. Now we're looking currently on the H1 time frame. In order to enter the market, I break it down to the minute 15. So let's go ahead and see what kind of action we got on the minute 15. So as you can see, the market shattered through this support, came down but made a new low, came up, and on the minute 15, strong bullish rally into the zone, started getting bearish wicks, as you can see right here. And then another one yet again. So now we have two bearish wicks showing me 30 minutes of confirmation that the pair cannot enter the zone, and begins dropping. Once the pair began dropping and I got two confirmations that this zone is going to be held as a resistance, I entered the trade right here onto the market. Simple 1-to-1 risk reward, and as you can see, closed my trade within 30 minutes for a 1-to-1 $7 profit on the market. Now the next trade we're going to be looking at is going to be the same pair, GBPCAD. As you can see, I took 4 trades on the market. Here in this video, I'm going to show you the 2 most significant trades on the account, one being the profitable $7 trade, and then I also took a loss on the account of $11. Like I said, you want to make sure you keep a journal to see exactly where you went wrong or right in your trading. With GBPCAD, I obviously took a short on the market at a 0.10 lot size, which is basically $1 per pip. And let's see what the entry screenshot says. So with every trade, I always like to take notes, and I simply place them onto the chart and take a screenshot of the chart and place it in my journal so I can go back every week and review exactly what I did right and what I did wrong, so I can learn and trade the next week with a better mindset. As you can see, I obviously took the losing trade, and I put a couple reasons of why I lost the trade. First, I was not ready 100% for the trade. I happened to take this trade driving to the chiropractor, and all of my analysis from my computer to my phone usually syncs. However, this time it did not. The pair hit my alert, and I simply entered the short without even seeing my full analysis. So I went into the trade not even knowing what I was doing. Now also, I always like the market to show me a confirmation that the pair is going to be going into my favor. With this, looking at the minute 15, as I said, that's my entry time frame. Looking at the minute 15, it left a wick right here. However, it did not close with the bearish sentiment in the market. It simply left the wick. I entered, and the minute 15 candle actually closed very bullish. Because of that, as you can see, the bulls were in control of the market, driving the pair into my stop loss and me losing the trade. Now let's break it down on the live chart to see exactly where I went wrong. Again, the market GBPCAD was clearly in a downtrend. I was simply looking for a break of this structure, a retest, and then a continuation to the downside. With the profitable $7 trade, the market shattered the support, dropped roughly, roughly 40 pips away from the zone, came back and retested. Now usually I would not take a trade unless the zone is completely shattered, dropped significantly, came back and retested. As you can see, this support was broken. However, it was only broken by 14 pips. So that's my first mistake. I did not let the pair break through the zone significantly, come back and retest for a continuation. Simply only broke 15 pips, and I was looking for a retest already. You want the market to show you that the bears are in control fully. You don't want to second guess it. 14 pips of a broken zone is little to nothing from what I understand by trading 3 months. Like I said, my first mistake, I did not let the market break through the zone significantly and come back and retest. Now looking at this yet again, I simply don't see a retest of the structure, to be honest. I don't know what I was thinking. Like I said, my analysis was all jumbled up. I was driving, I entered to the market blindly, and the entire trade went wrong. I probably couldn't got a worse entry. As you can see, I entered right here, almost at the bottom of the candle, and the market literally went straight into drawdown, hit my stop loss, and I took a losing trade on the week. However, like I said, guys, you're gonna have the profitable trades, the losing trades. It's all about keeping the journal and learning from your mistakes so you can trade better in the future. Now right here, my first week, I've yet to fill this in. I'm gonna have to later on here tonight. But as you can see, I took 4 trades. 3 of them were wins. 2 of them were wins. 1 was basically break even with 28 cents profit, and 1 loss. As you can see, I came out 34 cents on top of the market, 75% win rate, which is pretty good in my opinion. I'll be looking for around a 60% win rate throughout the months. However, I'm satisfied with the 75% for now. Now, if you enjoyed the video, please drop the like button. It really helps a small YouTube channel like mine grow and get my message out there and my journey so other traders like you and I can follow my content. When you're trading with small capital, it's so important to find someone like-minded so you can structure your trading very similar. A lot of these educators on YouTube are very good at teaching, however they have large capital, but a lot of students trying to learn and get into the Forex space might have a little bit of trouble understanding exactly what's going on the markets. Like I said, please drop the like button, subscribe to the channel. I'm dropping a new video each and every day of my new series, The Pair of the Night, where I go over an analysis with my stop losses, entry, and take profits of trades I'm potentially taking the next morning, as long as my setup and prediction plays out. Till next time, thank you and enjoy the rest of the night.